Hello, everybody. You're with us here on PokerNews.com at the 888 Poker Live in Barcelona. I am with a face that you have not seen in so long. I'm so happy to see you, Miss Kara Scott. Now, for those who don't know, Kara recently produced a child.
I did.
I haven't seen you in about a year. Please tell me about motherhood.
Yeah, I produced a blockbuster of a child a year ago, a year and 3 days, in fact. It was her first birthday, and I literally got on a plane the next morning and flew to Barcelona for my first ever bit of work.
Oh my gosh, no pressure. Being a woman these days, you guys, it's a lot.
It is a lot. It is a lot. I'm so glad to be back at work, but I mean, it's hard to be away from home as well. And some rando on the internet was like, it's unnatural that you're away from your child before they're 18. I was like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, what?
Okay. Mind your business.
Yeah, mind your business, people.
Are you going to come pay my bills?
That's a good question.
So I think, you know, for any mother or even for any poker player, for a father, I've asked a lot of people as they get married, as they have children, you know, I think finding the balance in transitioning and having both things. Talk to me a little bit about what the last year has been like. Have you really had to put poker aside and now it's like a small like integration back in, or has it you've managed to maintain a little bit?
You know, I had these ideas that I was going to watch everything on Poker Go. I was going to be playing online when I could, and that didn't happen at all. For me, it was kind of overwhelming. I live in a country where, you know, we don't have any family around. None of our friends are kind of baby friends. We had no help. So there wasn't a lot of chances for that for me. So this has been a little bit nerve-wracking to step back in kind of cold. Like, well, not kind of cold, like freezing. I'm ice cold. So
Fresh, welcome back.
Fresh.
She's a natural. I mean, I think we all know she's a natural. So for those of us who've been waiting and anticipating your return to the World Series of Poker, what's happening next? You've got 1 year old for the guy on the internet. Here's your answer.
Yeah, I'm going to be there for the main event. I'm going to be doing my job. I'm broadcasting with the broadcast team just like always. Last year was weird for me. It was the first year since I started at the World Series as a player, you know, more than a decade ago that I did not go to the World Series. The first
It was
year
weird for all of us, I got to be honest.
Really? It's nice to hear because it was hard. It was hard to watch all the updates. I was watching everybody on Twitter and just, you know, it was amazing because I had a baby and that's awesome, but also really kind of weird not to be there. I'm glad to be there. I'm only going to be there for the main event because I'm going by myself. You know, my husband is amazing, Giovanni. He is going to stay at home and watch the baby while I'm working, which is what he's doing right now. So yeah, I'm super lucky. Have a great partner is like the only advice you can give to someone, which is not advice. It's like a wish for you. But yeah, it's going to be cool.
Well, finally, last thing, for when your little precious baby grows up and she's scouring the internet watching this to see what it was like the first time you were away from her, what's your message to your baby when she finally finds this?
I missed you, but this was the right thing for you. I'm doing this for you.
Mama's got to make that college fund, but we love you and we miss you and we're all thinking about you. Thank you guys so much. You're with us here on PokerNews.com.